Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change the default search engine in Google Chrome. Now to do this, you will have to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have the Google Chrome, you will have to click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser and then click on settings from the list. Once you're on the settings, you will have to go ahead and click on search engine on the left hand side. To your right, you would see search engine option. Here you have an option to go ahead and click on change. In case if you want to change the search engine from Yahoo to something else, you may go ahead and click on change and then choose the option. In my case, I'm going to make the search engine as a Google as a default. Click on set as a default. Once this is done, you may open the browser and then your default search engine should be changed from Yahoo to Google or from Google to any of the default search engines. So this is how you can go ahead and change the default search engine in Google Chrome. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.